This one, as we can see, it's an AI picture which screams, I mean, it is a bearish sign. Not bearish, but a red flag basically. Low effort coin. It had a quick pump in one candle to like 25k, and ever since it hasn't been bullish at all. So the chart really has died out in my opinion. Still holding, but there is no volume even. There are those bumpy transactions trying to bump up this token, but no real transactions. Every now and then maybe. But still, we are going to take a look at this coin. People are talking here. This website has a game. Website goes crazy. This game is hard. So this could be exciting. This could be exciting. Lots of people talking. I just got airdrops. The team is legit. Interesting. And free airdrops in the voice chat. First come, first serve. Interesting. So they're doing something unique. Airdrop is legit. Join voice chat communities vibing. Team is getting pretty sleepy. We're going to leave our bags in and get some rest. We'll be going aggressive with the buys tomorrow 2 p.m. Eastern time. So I like this because he's transparent. He's informing the community and he's being precise here. So that I for sure very like. I like this for sure. Now the website was supposed to have some sort of a game. Click to play. It does work, so that's good. It has some sort of utility, even though no one is going to play that game, but you're joining to make some profits. No fighting instant ban. There are rules, that is nice, because oftentimes no one is even banning those fighters. This voice chat has 15 participants. Certainly pretty strong. Waiting for a few members to get online. We're going to run some marketing campaign with other communities and we'll be running macros in conjunction all day. So clearly this developer I see talks business and is straight to the point. I love to see that. Team is getting pretty sleepy. It's the same message and he talks business. I really like this guy so far. It's 10 p.m. Enjoy playing. Team is getting pretty sleepy again. Pinned message. Enjoy playing the game. And this looks pretty good to me. I like this coin a lot, but it's a bit... The chart doesn't look too healthy. Ever since its first pump, it kind of looks bearish from there. So we do want to see volume to really kick in. Otherwise, even though it's a slow moon, kind of, it's just 1 day old, about to have its full first 24 hours. I would want for this specific coin to, volume to kick back in ASAP as soon as possible. Otherwise, I wouldn't enter this coin at all. But it is promising. It is promising. Developer is nice, as there is voice chat people in, and 100 plus members in the Telegram group. But the chart looks bearish, and there is no volume. So the most important things are missing. And we can see this coin right now is having its second wave probably. It's about to go for a second wave and the volume clearly is kicking back in. So that's incredibly nice. As you can see here, guys, it's already up like 2x and it would have to do 2x from here to reach its all-time high, which would be the resistance, of course, and it's now just 12k. So in terms of the chart, in terms of the volume's uptrend, this looks very nice. So solely judging the chart and the volume looks great. So let's look for other signs now. Hollow distribution looks very great. Developer is based. We are a community, we're not sellers. We send this to Radium straight. Developer in the voice chats sharing screen. So far so good. So far we like that coin. Banner. And there is a banner, it's simple, but nice. So far so good. It is going for a second wave very clearly. And if it reverses back down, we can stop loss very feasibly. So it still looks like a safe entry, and this website is nothing special, but it is something. So that's good. It's better than no website. Voice chat only 3 people, 36 members. So I would want the community to be bigger, of course, to do the bumping up, buys and sells. This would be certainly nice. and there is no one talking really, so it's a bit disappointing looking at the Telegram. There is a shallow voice chat participants amount, just 3 people, which is clearly not that good, but it is going for a second wave, and it looks promising just from the chart. Let's take a look at this one. And this might be reversing as well. Like the first thing you see is a chart, of course, and this clearly is a cup right here. And a cup is really bullish. It's a bullish sign, a bullish trend. We can see volume more or less was always there, kind of absent from here, but now it's kicking in. That's nice. There are no socials though. That might be an issue. It's already up 70% from the dip. Distribution looks good. There is a Telegram, so I'm certainly going to join it. The chart does look promising for sure. And it is a slow moon as well. Lots of people talking in the thread section. That is very nice. Developer is based, developer is doxed. Verified on X. Interesting. But it's just 1 day old. It's about to be 1 day old in total. So it qualifies as a slow moon. 100 members, that is nice. No voice chat, already paid. So the DEX must be prepaid, which would be really nice. When DEX is prepaid, just need to get on Radium. But we do always want to see proof because people are scamming with those DEX promises and fake DEX screenshots. So it needs to be real proof, not just so there is proof. Finalized order ID, last updated. So is this today? Today is 12th of May. Should be today, should be right. DEX is prepaid. Photo, here as well. ID. Looks pretty good. There is a website as well. Going to take a look. Hopefully nothing inappropriate, because it's a kind of risky coin for YouTube live stream. But it does look extremely simple. Really an average website. But this looks good, as you can see. Pumping even more up. Nice cup, nice volume kicking in. And transactions, as you can see, are not that prosperous. They're not happening every single second, but it don't need to be. This coin just needs consistent volume. It just needs to be higher than it was here. And this is completely acceptable and completely sufficient to have a nice pump. And you can see people are stacking up. So everyone is buying, means people are bullish. Nice. But it's a bit high up, 23k. Would have been perfect to catch this coin like here. When the volume was starting to uptrend. Already here, as you can see. Here you could have bought this coin. So from here you couldn't tell. You might have thought it's going to die, yes. But here, as you can see, look at those volume candles, which are hard to look at because they're so small. But you can see the volume is uptrending from this point right here. So you could have gotten into it at 15k, which would have been perfect. Pixel Chump, by the way, we found it at like 12k in our yesterday's live stream. And I did not like it, so full transparency here. But it did pump to $50k in market cap, even more, which is really nice. And I think what I didn't like it was clearly that it did nothing for 3 days, as you can see. It was moving up and down a little bit, but not really making any profits or losses. So kind of stable for days, and you're freezing your funds here. And this is what I'm talking about. I don't think you should ape into coins which freeze your funds for days and not really move. So it was lucky to go up. Certainly volume kicked in, as we can see from here, which is nice. But you would want to buy this coin at this level, which is hard to catch because you're not screening coins 24/7, but certainly not here actually. Even though like it's easy to talk from the back, like right now we're talking about the past, it's easy to tell, like buy here, but realistically I wouldn't have bought here. I wouldn't have. Even if, yeah, I wouldn't have bought it here. But it does have nice volume, it is up right now, and right now it's not a buy anymore. So if it retraces back to the same level, you can look at it again, re-examine, as the volume comes back in, could be a nice trade once again. And by the way, if you are new guys, subscribe and turn on your notifications. And this looks really, really great. I'm not sure how it's even made, but this does look like an AI, and it looks really nice to me. Looks nice. Someone is holding 8% though, which is high up. I mean, a high amount to hold. And 8% again. So two people are holding 8%. Developing the voice chat. Interesting. So that is a good sign for sure. And there is sufficient volume. And it's at a reasonable market cap. So 15k is perfect. If you're trying first waivers, usually the perfect market cap is around 15k. So anything below 15k, coin can die extremely quickly. Anything above 15k, like 25k and more, is going to be a bit late, you know? You'll be having only small profits. So 15k is, in my opinion, the most optimal when it comes to the first waivers. I'm going to check out the website first. Pet Wars. What is Pet Wars? Pet battle game where you can collect, train and battle your pets against other players. Collect pets from the wild from other players or from the shop. Train your pets, battle. And I like all of this aesthetic, this, you know, this look. Looks really good in my opinion. Like some sort of dark fantasy, something, you know, from old stories or something, gives that sort of a vibe. Create a project, create website, create socials. So this is a roadmap and this is nice. And this website is slightly better than average. It's better than average for sure. Not perfect, none of them really are, but it's a good website, that's for sure. 100 people, very, very nice, and 17 in the voice chat. And that is very good. So it's a first waiver, but it's a slow-moving first waiver, and it has a nice community already. Community is pretty big. But we do want the DEX to be prepaid. Maybe we can see it from this coin, maybe not. Let's take a look. Launching soon. Nothing special here. So it was a pre-launch, as you can see here, which day for the launch. And this is good actually, because this coin had the community built even before it launched. So that makes sense now. It has a big, strong community, and it had a community even before it launched. So first waves usually have small communities, but when it comes to this one, this has a strong one because there is lots of people, and this is nice. This coin looks good to me as long as no one sells, of course, from the developers. And if it goes down below 10k right here, I would be really hesitant to trade this coin at that point. So this is now, I think, a crucial point. As you can see, it's dipping back down to 11k, and there is some selling pressure. So if it dips down a lot below 10k, this is going to be critical. As you can see, it's at 10k. And the thing is, if it drops another 50%, it's back to the floor and it's going to die. And most likely the developer himself will lose faith and sell it as well. So we're going to see, and this is a bit concerning as well, two holders holding 8%, but other than this looks pretty good. If not for the price dip right now and for the two large holders. Check out this coin, guys, do your own research, but it looks like it's going for another wave. Can make it 2x profits here at most, so risk to reward, make sure you guys take that into consideration. This coin as well, but a quick little update, a quick re-examination when it comes to this coin. We were looking at this coin and we thought it's going for a second wave, but as we can see here, it's now not sure anymore where it wants to go. As you can see here, it's kind of stumbling, it's kind of stuck. It's now consolidating at this level, which is usually bearish sign because it has lost its momentum, kind of lost its momentum. The volume, if it starts decreasing, that's surely not going for a second wave anymore. But still, I do think the risk to reward is worth it if you like jump into this coin, like right now, or if you did so before. If it happens to go downtrend in the volume, you can clearly see it and just sell. So you would break even really. This is why second wave is pretty good. But yeah, like it might not go for a second wave. It might not go. Depends on the momentum and the volume, and it can decrease from here. So they really need to do those bump transactions right now if they want to push it. if they want to push it. And if coins reverse from its second wave projection, you guys should take out your funds. Also guys, you can get access to my completely free PUMP.FUN Memecoin trading mastery course from the description of this video or in the pinned comment. There is 30 plus minutes of beginner level content. There is also a paid section which is cheap at the moment, but the price will increase soon. And we are covering literally every single strategy there is how you can make money on PUMP.FUN, about 100 or 200 bucks a day. Consider joining our Discord community and Telegram course channel as well. And finally, don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video and come back for more.